Let's go. Yeah, starts it on. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to another episode of Lockdown Performance. Tell you what guys, it's pretty interesting at the moment, man. It is cloudy and it's been overcast for the last couple of days. I reckon we're going to get a lot of rain really soon. But anyway, enough weather talk. Friggin' took the Q45 for a run earlier today and I was pretty happy. So yeah, I just went around the corner pretty much because it's a bit sort of dodgy driving around with no bonnet on and no rego. Pretty much went first, second, didn't go wide open throttle or anything like that. I just wanted to make sure everything was okay, no leaks, wasn't overheating or anything like that. Let it sort of idle for a while. And I also let the paint and insulation stuff sort of settle in because I insulated all the turbo manifolds, so the paint and all the crap was burning off. And now it's just sitting here waiting for me to do some more stuff. As you can see, I've redid that. I don't know if you can see the bloody yeah, you can see that a little bit. I've got water dripping on my back and it's annoying the shit out of me. Sorted that out. What else did I do? I took the seat out because I'm sorting out a rail for some sports seats that I have. Took the door trims off. That piece of shit carpet's going to come out because it's just shit. And that's all I can think of right now. I found my SAFC too, by the way, so I'm pretty stoked. I'll have to wire that into the ECU. But I just want you to remember, guys, when you watch this video demonstration of the car driving, which wasn't on wide open throttle, it's on stock everything. Stock ECU, stock injectors, stock fuel pump, stock fuel filter, which hasn't been changed for years. So I'm going to have to go through and do all that. I'm not sure if I said stock fuel pump. And the only thing that's actually been changed is the fuel. It's got some fresh fuel in the tank. I'm going to have to pull a plug and check what they look like. They're probably going to be a bit fouled, I reckon, because, you know, it's going to be sort of all over the shop at the moment with this freaking turbo pumping air into it. It's just not sure what's going on, you know what I mean? Watch the clips and I'll get back to you sort of after you watch the clips. Sounds alright, I reckon. Got a few looks. Neighbours freaking come out. There was a little girl on the street on the side of the road freaking just going, oh, that car's got no bonnet, daddy, you know? Like, sorry about that, guys, but that's the way it goes, you know what I'm saying? Second now. Come on. No problems, no problems. One more time and then that's it. I'm taking it home. Yui. Let's go. Back inside. off to sleep. Anyway, that's a wrap up of the test run, which wasn't very far, but it was better than nothing, better than driving up and down the driveway. It's just pretty much up the road there. Up the road and around, chuck the UE, come back, you know. I'm pretty happy. I'm going to go through and check everything. And for the next episode, I'm hoping to have the SAFC wired in. I've got all the intercooler plumbing made up already. Just waiting for some cable so that I can run the battery into the boot. And then I guess I'll take it for a run once the intercooler plumbing's hooked up. And also, guys, I'll tell you honestly, I don't like running the airflow meter in the intercooler plumbing at all. I reckon it's shit house. I reckon half the reason why it's probably not spooling it as good as it should be is probably because it's in there. I could be wrong, but I'm not going to run it in the intercooler plumbing. I'm actually going to run it off the housing, off the turbo housing. Front guard's got to come off so that I can do that. So yeah, there's a lot going on, but I'm getting there. I'm loving it. I can actually move the car around now, and it drives all right. You know what I mean? Like, there's no knocks, bangs, rattles, or anything like that. Probably needs a wheel alignment. Hasn't been driven for like 4 years on the road. So anyway, guys, thanks heaps for watching, and I shall see you in the next episode of Lockdown Performance. Peace out, guys.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail the ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash. I'm like